I'm going to show you how to create private servers in the Roblox game The Forge completely for free. As many of you already know, at the moment, The Forge does not officially support private servers. However, I found a way to join servers with very few players, which works almost like having a private server just for yourself. First, open Roblox in your web browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome. I haven't tested this method on other browsers, so I recommend using Chrome to follow along. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, don't search for the game just yet. Before that, we need to install a Google Chrome extension called RowSeal. RowSeal allows you to view and filter Roblox servers more efficiently. With this extension, you can sort servers and find ones with the lowest number of players. After installing RowSeal, go to the game page and click Servers. Under Public Servers, look for Number of Players, click the drop-down menu, and select Ascending. This will show you the servers with the fewest players at the top. Make sure you're in the correct region. To do this, click on Region Selector and choose the region where you live or the one you prefer. Once you find a server you want to join, simply click Join. This way, you'll enter a nearly private server, often with only you or just one other player. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.